Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to unbox this. So I waited so long to get my hands on this one. So it was out of stock everywhere. Finally I found it on an online website and I bought it. So let's unbox this one and see. Okay, again I'm just going to reiterate one more time. This is a Toyota GR Supra. And this is by Majorette and this is from their premium car series. So let's unbox this and see how it looks. So here is the card. Here is closer look one more time. Okay, let's get to the car. Okay, here it is. This looks really nice. It has openable doors. It's pretty tight. Hope you guys can see the interior here. Okay. So the headlights are actually made of some kind of fiber. That looks really nice. Looks really beautiful. Okay, the wheels are actually made of plastic. And the tail lights looks like it's painted. Yep, it is painted. The tail lights are painted. Here's the top view. Here's the bottom view. And since it's by Majorette, I'm pretty sure it has some kind of suspension. Yep, it has. This looks really nice. The detailings are pretty good. I'm hoping that Majorette would release a deluxe edition of this car with some more detailing and different colors as well. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be better if you guys subscribe and support me. That would help me to put out a lot more great content like this. So consider subscribing. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.